This is a data entry and data research type of job. What you'll be doing here, I'll provide you with a competitor list with a list of websites that you need to work on. So you'll take the first one and then you go to semrush.com. I'll provide you with the access and you'll come here to this box and you'll place the domain name and click on search. Make sure all reports is selected here. So you'll click on search and it will open a page with all the details for that domain. The only thing that we're interested about are the organic keywords. It reads top organic keywords, and you can see the number here is 35,454 keywords. So what we will do, we'll open the full report in a new tab and we'll work from there. So it looks like we have the new tab opened, and here you can find all the keywords. But as you can see, we have an export button here, and we have a limitation of exporting only 10,000 results per export. But as we have 35,000 results here, it would not be possible for us to export the entire list. So the way we should tackle it is we're going to go to this location served panel, and we're going to select these details from all these cities. So as you can see here, we have the first city is called Primosten. It's in Croatia. We're going to select that. We're going to copy it and we'll bring it here to organic search positions and paste it on filter by keyword. And if we filter it, if we click on that magnifying glass, what happens here, you'll get a filtered set of results, and as you can see, we only have one result out of those 35,000 results. So your job here would be to export the results from here. Although we have only one number, it is very important that you record all the numbers. So we're going to export it, and we're going to export it in Excel. Okay, it's exporting. Here is one thing that we need to be careful about. This Excel file might have a name which will be very hard to comprehend. So what I recommend you do is to change the name in a way that we are able to read it, we're able to determine what data this file represents. Okay, it's taking a while to open. There is only one set of data, so okay, it has opened. And so what we will do here, we'll take this keyword from here, that's Primosten, and we'll change the file name. So the way we do it is we'll go to Save As. We're going to change a few other things on this document which I will show you in a bit. But the first thing I need to show you is how we do it. So I will just save it in my local drive. You will be doing it possibly in Google Drive, or like I'll show you what to do with the destination. So you'll check Excel 97 2003 workbook. Make sure you check that, because otherwise we won't be able to open it in the earlier Excel programs. So we'll create a new folder. Okay, there's a new folder, and we'll call it Detailed Keyword Analysis. Open that. We'll move inside, and we'll have another folder here which will be Luxury Retreats. Okay, and then we'll go inside and we'll place it as Primosten. See? Okay, so now we have saved it. So now there are a couple of things that we would be doing. We want to get rid of these columns which reads previous position. We don't need that. So we're just going to delete that. We need the search volume, we need the CPC, we need the URL, traffic cost, competition, number of results, we need that. So we'll kill this too as well. Trends and timestamps, we don't need them. Here's another thing that I would want you to do. You click on the first raw and then you'll go to view, freeze panes, and then you'll click on freeze top row. For all the documents that we work with, make sure you freeze the top row. And I'm just going to make sure it looks a bit okay. You don't have to do this, but let's do that. So it looks okay to me. So I'll save it again and it's done. Then I'll move on to the second keyword, which is London. This is our keyword modifier. This is not actually the keyword that we are working with. Our keyword was like we are working with all the keywords for luxury retreats. So we come to that open new tab again where we had placed Primoston. Replace that with London and filter it again. And now you'll see that we'll have a lot more keywords for London in comparison to Primoston. So as you can see here, we have 13 keywords for London. And it says luxury vacation rentals London, weekend rentals London. These are all good keywords. So we will export that. So we'll export it as Excel once again. And then we will open it. Okay, we're going to get rid of previous position as we told you before. And then we're going to get rid of number of results and trends. Did we get rid of number of results for the first one? Nope, we didn't. So we'll keep that intact. Let's go back to that. We'll get rid of trends and timestamp. Perfect. Okay, and then we're going to set this as view, freeze panes, top pane, and it looks good. And now we're going to save it. Yes. No, we're going to save as, not save. Okay. We're going to go back to that previous folder that we had worked on. It was detailed keyword analysis. And we'll go inside luxury retreats and save it as Excel 97 2003, and this will have London. Okay, I'll show you another one before we move on to something else. Then we have Cannes. Cannes is in France, and we're going to replace London here. Okay, for Cannes, as you can see, we have 28 search volume. Like not search volume, 28 search results for Cannes. So the number is increasing, which is good to some extent. Okay, we will get rid of previous position. I'm just showing this a few times so that you know what you should be doing. Trends and timestamps, we don't need that. We click on the first raw view, not view. Okay, and then we're going to save as, and it's going to go to detailed keyword analyses, luxury retreats, and here it will be Cannes. Looks good. Okay, so let's move. Okay, I will have to go through a couple of things. We'll be right back. So this would be pretty much what you'll be doing. I will be providing you some, here you will find all the location-based keywords from the cities. I'll be providing you with some other modifiers like vacation rentals, vacation villas, stuff like those. So that will be in a separate folder. Maybe, yeah, that will be in a separate worksheet. and you'll be doing it, you'll be filtering. Like if we want all the keywords which has vacation rentals, so we'll replace Kines from here and we'll plug in vacation. You just spelled it right now, vacation rentals, and we'll click on that magnifying glass, and here we go. We have like 3026 results for vacation rentals. Oh, this is big. This is really big. So what I would want you to do is inside, okay, first we'll export it. So that will be in a separate, like we have all the locations served here. There will be another worksheet where you will find all the modifiers, like all the modifiers with vacation rentals, villas, vacations, stuff like those. So you'll be creating another, you'll be exporting it, and okay, this will be big. As you can see here, I don't know why did it only retrieve 1465 results and not all of them. The report shows positions the query domain in. Okay, give me a bit. I'll need to figure out what's going on. Okay, it appears that you don't have to be worried about this number, 3026. It's telling me that a website can get multiple positions for one set of keywords. And you don't have to worry about that. That's an SEO thing. Okay, so the number of results that we found for this one was how many? Okay, we found like 1464 because we're leaving the top row. So okay, let's get rid of previous position, the very outset, and then we'll get rid of trends and timestamp. Perfect. Now we're going to select that, go to view, freeze pane, freeze top row. Then we're going to save it. Let's go to document, detailed keyword analysis, and that would be vacation rentals, and I'll send that in a separate folder. We'll call it folder modifiers. We'll call it abstract modifiers, and we'll save it there. And for the rest of them, let's go to my documents. We'll have the detailed keyword analysis, luxury retreats, and for all these three, what I'll do, make sure you do that at the very beginning when you start working. One will be abstract modifiers. Inside each company, we'll have one location modifiers. Okay, and we'll place all of them inside it. Might have some problem with Kines because it's still open. I'm going to close that. Just close all of them, so you don't have any problems with it. So we'll take, okay, try again, and bingo, here we are. Okay, so it looks like I gave you pretty much an introduction of what you're supposed to do. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a quick question through your messaging system, and I'll be getting back to you. Please make sure you send me exact numbers in terms of how much you want for this job, or how many of your gig that you would want me to order. So I look forward to reading your applications. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.